Kitchen dog here. Like, and today, sir, yes, you got a letter. This, dear Chef Snoopy, aka the kitchen dog, you are welcome to come to our restaurant. We are watching your vids and they're amazing. Keep it up. From Manager Merly. P.S. We will give you $15.75 for working here. Okay, but where's the restaurant? It should say on the back. Oh, there it is. Well, looks like but what about my video? You can bring the video with you. Fine. Let me just get going. Yes, another day at work. Alright guys, let's get started. Customers are starting to come in. I'm here. The kitchen. Manager, he's here. Really, he's here. What the? Hey. Chef's the kitchen dog. In person. Oh. What a pleasure to meet you, sir. You too. So you're the one my workers are talking about, right? Yep, that's me. Chef Snoopy, aka the kitchen dog. Cool. Alright. Remember, if you at least cook up food, I'll owe you $15. What about the 75 cents part? You know what? Let me just get to work. So, when does the first order come? It should come any minute. What the? Mini pancakes with whipped cream. Oh, this should be easy. Here are the pancakes. Hold up. This looks simple and easy. We'll give them 6. The first order is ready. Not yet, we have to microwave it. I put another one in the microwave for the boss. There you go, take it out. Okay, manager, I'm giving you these pancakes. Thank you. Okay, I guess now we put these in here. Yeah. For 30 seconds. I'm gonna be honest, but this is the cheapest way to cook pancakes. 30 seconds. And now. No, just get the utensils. Well, this will do for now. We'll just wait. Alright, done. Okay, got your pancakes. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sir. This is actually good, I know. What is it that makes you like the whipped cream part so much, Rocket? Stuff, and more stuff. That makes no sense. Look, I just like how it tastes. Okay. Alright, congratulations, man. On your first order today. Thanks, guys. He's actually served. Yep. Yes, he did, sir. Well, congratulations, kitchen dog. Here's my money. $5. Thanks, guys. Anytime. Have a nice day. You too. Wait, let me just take the money and just get going.